Okay, boys and girls, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about everybody's favorite subject, CPNs. Man, I can't help but just notice that the explosion of CPN YouTubers. I mean, it's crazy. Like 2 years ago, you really couldn't find a lot of information. I mean, the legal CPN guy, obviously, he's been around forever, but there wasn't the amount of people that are talking about this stuff on YouTube. Some people know what they're talking about, other people not so much. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to let you guys know my experience, how long I've been in this, the success I've had, and the methods that I use in order to have success. Now, for those of you that are new to this channel, I offer workshops that'll show you how to make a CPN, but before I shouldn't get into this right now because I got to say something. This video is for entertainment/education purposes only. The videos that are on Teespring that I sell are entertainment/education purposes only. They're not calls to action. It's just for fun. I'm just a superhero, right? This is fake, okay? Entertainment. Now that that's out of the way, I have workshops on Teespring that will show you how to make a CPN, how to get it into public records, how to build the damn thing, how to get apartments. I'm going to be making more in the future, like how to get cars and cell phones and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, the main three are the CPN creation workshop, the public records workshop, and then the credit building timeline. With those three things, you will be able to build a CPN, get it in public records, and then you'll know how to build it up in order to get credit cards with high limits. Now, for those of you that are looking at this stuff, and some of you have seen the credit building timeline, and you see it goes over 2 years, and a lot of you guys get turned off. What the hell is this? 2 years? I want 2 years. This other guy says I get 100K. This other guy says I get a Lambo with my CPN. Yeah, right. Go try it. I seriously, let me know if you can get a Lambo with a CPN in 2 months. Please show me that. Send me a message in the comments and be like, Crusader, I got a Lambo with a CPN in 2 months. Because I mean, I know that's full of shit. That's clickbait crap. This is real. And when I say this now, the process still works. It's going to take some time. Like, you think that they're going to just let you do a bank robbery? Everybody, you know how many people are trying to do the same thing you're doing? I mean, everybody's trying to do this. They can't just have a bank robbery. The reason that things are still able to be the way they are and they haven't changed things is a lot of people lack things like discipline, self-control, patience, things like that. And that's all that's needed in order to do this correctly so you can actually get stuff. Because a fresh CPN is really not going to be good for anything except, I mean, you could probably get phones. You might be able to get a car within about 1 to 2 months, and apartments. You're not going to get credit cards. That's not going to happen. You're not going to get any loans or funding or anything like that with a fresh CPN. It's got to be built right. It's got to be in public records. You've got to get the primaries. You got to build the primaries. You got to use the cards. When you get the primaries, you've got to use the cards in order to show a payment history so you look attractive to banks to be like, oh shit, this guy's using the cards, he's paying it back. All right, we want to make money off this guy. He's been doing it for 6 months to a year. Okay, we'll do take a chance with him. So then they go and they give you a card or they give you more money because they're like, oh shit, we'll give him a bigger limit. He'll spend more money and then pay it back. We'll make more money off him. That's what you're preying on. That's what you're hoping happens. That's what you want to happen. Because that's how this all works. If you think people are greedy, banks are greedier. I'm going to tell you right now. And that goes with real credit, fake credit. That goes with anything. As far as getting approved, they want to see responsible payments. They want to see you use the card, pay it back. Use the card, pay it back. And for those of you that may doubt me, I'll show you something right here. This is a stack of credit cards that I just grabbed in my hands. Now, just so you know, I could make a house out of stacks of credit cards that I've accumulated. I'm telling you, man, I know what I'm talking about. So with that being said, if you're going to try to build your credit, build a CPN number, build anything, you need to make sure you use the card. And I mean, from my experience, I've got my eyes and ears are open. I'm always watching what's going on in this space. I always hear things. I got people that are reporting to me constantly. Oh, hey, Crusader, guess what? This is happening. Or, oh, hey, Crusader, you're not going to believe what people are trying. Like, I know people are trying to use CPNs to do the rent relief thing, where they go in and they say that someone's renting from them, and it's the CPN, and then they go and try to get the rent relief from the state, which is totally illegal. That's what people are trying to do. I mean, there's tons of stuff that I know about, that I hear about, people telling me. And I'm telling you right now, the shit still works. You just got to have patience. You got to be responsible. You got to pay the damn bills back. You're not going to get anywhere by trying to burn something out real quick and then not paying the bill. I mean, that's just going to screw you. And I'm going to go into how you could get screwed over, aside from getting arrested, if you try to just take CPNs and burn them out. Because every time you make a CPN, especially in your actual name, there's still a record of that thing that's out there. And there's always a chance it could merge with your real credit or merge with the next CPN that you try to make. So you make yourself a tangled web when you go and try to make CPN after CPN. That's what some people out there do. Now, I would recommend doing that, because I don't recommend, I'm a superhero. I'm not trying to, advocate people doing the wrong thing. But what I'm saying is that you're better off being responsible with it, building it up, and then using it to actually start something like a business, or just get yourself out of the situation you're in so you can get an apartment, get a car, and make the payments and have them not be real high, not have to go to a check cashing place in order to live, to buy your groceries because you got no credit. That's what they're used for the best. Now, I got to get going. If you guys are interested in learning some of the things that I can teach you, head on down to the Crusader Cave. I've got workshops there. They'll show you how to get it done. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Crusader.